What if I told you that the most brutal warriors in history didn't need a fancy gym to become legends? Today, we're diving deep into the savage training that forged gladiators. And I'll show you how to unleash that same primal power using just your body weight and pure determination. The gladiators of ancient Rome weren't just entertainers. They were apex predators who faced death every time they stepped into the arena. Their survival depended on explosive power, unbreakable endurance, and a mental toughness most modern athletes can't even comprehend. While we obsess over the latest fitness gadgets, these warriors built legendary strength and battle-ready bodies using techniques so powerful that modern sports scientists still study them today. It wasn't about looking impressive, it was about developing functional strength that could literally keep you alive. Archaeological evidence shows their training tools were simple: wooden poles, sandpits, and stone weights. But the foundation was always bodyweight movements. That's why this training is perfect for the modern warrior. No gym, no machines, just the will to push beyond your limits. The workout I'm about to share is based on authentic gladiator principles. This isn't a watered-down routine. It's a test of your physical and mental limits. We'll use 5 core movements. First, the gladiator squat to stand. Sit cross-legged, then explode up into a deep squat and stand tall. This builds explosive leg power. Do 20 reps with maximum intensity. Second, the arena crawl. Drop into a bear crawl position. Move forward 20 steps, then backward 20 steps. This builds incredible core and shoulder stability. Keep your hips low and your movements controlled. Third, the warrior push-up to T-do-1 push-up. Then rotate into a side plank, arm reaching high. This builds pushing power and rotational core strength. Complete 10 reps on each side. Fourth, the gladiator lunge with high knee. Step into a deep lunge, then drive your back knee up toward your chest. This develops single leg strength and power. Do 15 reps on each leg. Fifth, the arena plank to downward dog. Hold a plank for 3 seconds, then push back into a downward dog for 3 seconds. This builds core endurance while stretching your body. Continue for 1 full minute. Now, here's where we separate the gladiators from the spectators. Combine all 5 movements into a circuit. Perform each exercise for the prescribed reps, then immediately move to the next. Rest for 60 seconds between circuits and complete 3 full circuits. The third round is where champions are forged. This is where you prove you can push beyond perceived limits. The ancient gladiators understood that training isn't just about building muscle, it's about forging character. Complete this routine 3 times a week. The arena is calling, your inner gladiator is waiting. Will you answer the call or remain a spectator in your own life? Your transformation starts right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more workouts that build warriors.